for fast and efficient mat cleaning. This machine will clean a variety of wood or composite access mats in minutes, capturing and then recycling the wash water for reuse. What would typically take a manual operator 20 to 40 minutes to clean, the access mat washer will clean in 2 to 4 minutes. This unit will clean the matting product in 360 degrees in a single pass through our enclosed wash station. These systems can come equipped with closed loop filtration and recycling packages, reducing water usage and keeping the operation in environmental compliance. All of our mat cleaning systems feature variable speed conveyors, skid-mounted or axle-mounted equipment for mobility, dual-side loading, water heating options, cold weather operation packages, and a variety of pump pressure and flow options. These systems are built on demand. The equipment can be built with options to add stacking and destacking components to allow an operator to load up to 5 mats at a time. This eliminates dead space between mat cleaning cycles, allowing more mats to be cleaned in a shorter amount of time. We can design and build an equipment package that fits the cleaning needs your operation demands. We have served clients as industrial cleaning contractors and specialty equipment manufacturers for over 45 years. Call us today for more information at 800-897-7515.